Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove the door card on an Alfa Romeo Mito. They are the same for passenger and driver's side. First of all, I'm going to start by removing the two Phillips screws on the right hand side of the door card. Okay, now I'm going to use the trim pull tool with a little hook on it just to pull off the cover on the door handle. Okay, now I'm going to remove the clip on the door handle which covers a bolt hole. I'm going to use a little pull tool, which is a little hook tool, just to pull the clip off. And that's the little clip there. Just get the hook tool and just pull it out like so, and then just clip it back on with the two clips on the back. Okay, now I'm going to pull the door pull cover off to reveal a bolt. And now I'm going to remove the final two bolts, which is one on the bottom of the door pull and the one behind the door handle itself. Okay, now I'm going to pull the door handle from the top right hand corner to remove it. On the back of the door handle you will have an electrical window switch. You will have the door handle cable that will need to be undone, and there'll be a connector for the lower interior door light. Now I think on this door, because it's moving around, the actual whole mechanism for the door card is loose. So when I pull it out, the whole handle is going to come out complete, but when you do it you will need to remove the cable by itself and not the door handle, because it is plastic welded on. So I'm going to do that now for you. There you go, that's the door card removed. Now to refit it, it's pretty much exactly the same as before. You just need to line up the holes for the clips, hit the clips with your fist, and they will pop into place. I will just show you on the back of the door. There is a clip for you to undo so you can get the door handle out itself. So there's a clip on the back here. So to get the door handle off itself, pretend this is all on the door card, you need to remove this clip off here. Just pop a little pull in there and twist that off, lift that out of the hole, and then just pry that out of there. And there you go, then the door card will be free to come off. And there you go, thanks for watching, please like and subscribe.